You're on a mission, a quest to find gainful employment that will fulfill all your hopes and dreams and aspirations. You want a job that will excite you, challenge you, and make you feel like you're a valuable member of society. But the job market is fiercely competitive, and it seems like everyone is fighting for the same few jobs. How can you make sure that you stand out from the crowd and land your dream job? Well, I'm counting down 50 proven strategies for job seekers to get noticed and hired rapidly. Strategy number 50 is to start by making a list of your top 50 desired companies to work for. Picture yourself working for your dream company. What does that feel like? For many people, a dream job involves working for a prestigious company that offers great pay and benefits. If you're looking to make your mark in the corporate world, it's important to start making a list of your top 50 desired companies to work for. This will help you focus your job search and identify which organizations are the best fit for your skills and goals. Keep in mind that your list doesn't need to be limited to major corporations. There are many small and mid-sized businesses that offer great opportunities for career growth. So, don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to your job search. By taking the time to develop a realistic list of desired employers, you'll be one step closer to landing your dream job. The next video is right here. The entire playlist is up here. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel to get an alert every time I drop a video about improving the results of your job search. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.